Hi, welcome to Linop Talks. I am Linop and today we will be discussing on the SINP draw happened on August 19. So my hearty congrats to all the candidates who got the invitation in this draw. If you are planning to move to Canada, I would say this is one of the best provincial nomination program in Canada. So before moving on to the SINP draw details, I will give a short information on what is SINP. Saskatchewan is one of the provinces in Canada. SINP is Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. SINP draw happens twice a month. So let's get into more details.
This is the SINP result. The draw happened on August 19th. You can see here two different categories. One is OID or occupations in demand. The other category is express entry. For those who doesn't have any idea about what is OID or what is express entry in SINP, I will just give some brief information on this. So basically, express entry is one who is eligible in express entry and having enough CRS points can definitely create a express entry profile, and you can give the reference in SINP program, and you can raise a expression of interest. So, and those who doesn't have express entry profile or who are not eligible in express entry, no need to worry. There is one more category in express entry called occupations in demand, which you can register and raise a expression of interest in this category. The only disadvantage in occupation in demand is it will take 18 to 24 months to get a PR once you get nomination in SINP. So that is the only disadvantage. Otherwise, you can apply in any of these categories as per your eligibility. So the biggest advantage in express entry is once you get a nomination from SINP, you can get a PR within 6 to 7 months. So again, it is like once you get the federal draw invitation, it takes 6 to 7 months. I hope by now you got some idea about OID and express entry. So let's have a quick look in the draw, SINP draw happened. So you can see that in OID category they have invited 335 candidates, and in express entry they have invited 161 candidates, and the lowest score they have invited in OID is 70 points, and in express entry it is 71 points. And you can see the NOC codes which they have selected for the express entry as well as occupation demand. You can see here all these NOC codes which have been invited in the OID category, and below you can see the express entry NOC codes. So only these NOC codes are being selected for this ITA. If you want to understand what is the SINP points you get in this program, you can definitely check. I will drop a link below. You can check in that. So once you get a feeling that yes, you have the required points, SINP points, then you can start immediately applying. You just make sure that you have the IELTS report and ECA report ready while applying for the EOA. So you can go through the trends here. I will drop the link also again here to check the trend and the points. I mean you can go through all these points for the recent draws. So you will get a understanding where your points stand, and whether you can apply in this particular program. In case if you have any questions regarding SINP program or express entry program, please feel free to shoot your questions in the comment box. I will reply at the earliest.
I hope you got some information about the SINP draw happened on August 19. I hope you liked my video. So stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos on express entry, PNP programs and more interesting topics. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.